What's the meaning of adverbial? Adverbial. 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 An adverbial is a grammatical term used to describe words or phrases that modify verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. They provide additional information about manner, time, frequency, place, degree, or reason. Adverbials can be single words such as quickly, or often, or more complex phrases like after, finishing the meal. Adverbials are important because they add detail and nuance to sentences, helping to convey a more precise meaning. Without adverbials, sentences can sound vague and incomplete. Therefore, they are an essential component of effective communication in written and spoken language.